Welcome to today's review on the Autherium Dragon RGB i9 RTX gaming PC. This powerhouse gaming desktop combines extreme performance with premium features to deliver an unmatched computing experience for gamers, creators, and professionals alike. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this gaming PC at the best price in the market. From the moment you power it on, the Autherium Dragon RGB impresses with its factory overclocked Core i9 processor that boosts up to 5.4 GHz, giving you seamless multitasking, fast rendering, and smooth gaming even in the most demanding AAA titles. Pair that with a massive 64 GB of RAM, double the standard high-end memory most systems offer, and you can handle intense workflows, stream, and game simultaneously without ever slowing down. Storage is another area where this PC truly shines, combining a 1TB NVMe M.2 SSD capable of blistering 7,000 MB per second speeds with a 4TB 7,200 revolutions per minute HDD, giving you both lightning-fast load times and massive space for all your games, media, and projects. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 OC GPU is factory overclocked to maintain consistent high frame rates and supports real-time ray tracing for ultra-realistic lighting and reflections, while DLSS 4.0 ensures smooth performance even at higher resolutions. VR enthusiasts and creators will appreciate the GPU's ability to handle multi-monitor setups effortlessly, its improved energy efficiency, and GPU-accelerated tasks like AI rendering and deep learning applications. Cooling and design have been carefully engineered for both aesthetics and function, with a 360mm all-in-one liquid cooling system, intelligently controlled fan speeds that keep everything whisper quiet, and vibrant ARGB lighting that you can control via the top button or software for thousands of customization options. The Dragon front panel and total of 11 fans, 3 dedicated to the GPU, 1 on the power supply, and 8 for overall airflow, ensure both stable temperatures and long-term reliability, even during marathon gaming sessions. Connectivity is comprehensive, including USB-C 3.2, 8 USB 3 ports, LAN supporting up to 2.5 GB per second, high-speed Wi-Fi 6E at 2.4 GB per second, and Bluetooth, giving you all the options you need to connect peripherals, VR headsets, and external storage effortlessly. The build quality reflects careful selection of premium components and thorough testing to ensure long-term durability, quiet operation, and consistent performance. Horizon backs this PC with a 3-year parts warranty and 5-year labor warranty, plus access to specialists with over 20 years of experience to help with hardware, software, and performance questions. While this system may come at a higher price point than typical gaming PCs, the combination of raw power, advanced cooling, massive memory, high-speed storage, and premium graphics makes it a worthwhile investment for anyone seeking a system that is ready for today's games, future titles, VR experiences, and professional workloads. It is ideal for high-end gaming, streaming, video editing, 3D rendering, and advanced data analysis, offering both top-tier performance and a visually stunning setup that will elevate any workspace or gaming station. The Autherium Dragon RGB proves itself as more than just a gaming PC. It's a complete powerhouse that balances speed, graphics, cooling, and connectivity in a carefully designed chassis that looks as good as it performs. Pros include its exceptional CPU and GPU power, massive RAM, fast storage, whisper-quiet cooling, and VR-ready capability, while cons are its premium price and larger case size, which requires a dedicated desk space. Overall, if you value performance, reliability, and a visually appealing design, this PC is built to deliver an outstanding experience across all tasks. Don't miss the chance to upgrade your setup with this remarkable machine, and make sure to check the link in description below to secure your Autherium Dragon RGB gaming PC at the best available price, so you can enjoy its incredible performance and features without compromise.